Mike Baroni, one of the owners of Live Automation. We're a small systems integrator in Massachusetts. We service New England area and worldwide. We've gone just about all over. We focus on process controls, machine automation, custom assembly machines, and custom software. We see ourselves as, again, on the leading edge of this technology. Data has gotten so important to the front office in manufacturing that they're always obviously trying to improve efficiency. I found inductive automation, I want to say it's about 5 or 6 years ago. Really liked it. It was an easy sell to the IT guys. It's been a little bit of a transition where normally the facility has a controls engineer, they would really stay on top of the SCADA software, but we're finding that IT guys, again, are interested in maintaining it, learning it, tweaking it, and playing around. We have one customer who, they've got some real high-end MIT programmers who were blown away with what they could do. They could show, wow, this is Python, I can go script this if I want. And one of the wow moments we always have when we deploy the systems is we always pull out either an iPhone or a tablet and show, hey, oh, by the way, we can get all the data right here, and then the wheels start turning with customers. They see, oh, I wish you could get this data, or we've got this paper trail. Can we replace that somehow? Whenever we see an opportunity for data, for HMI, for any kind of view into a process, we always do lead with Ignition. It's our go-to because of no client or tag or any data limitations. It works with OPC. So anything that we need to connect to is really just okay. It's not limited by clients. It's not limited by tags. It's not limited by anything. It just makes our lives easier. When a customer, after you do the initial deployment, the customer says, "Well, I want to be able to see this, from my headquarters in Milwaukee." Oh, okay. We're going to sell you this license, and we got to configure this and make it. Oh, I'll do it. Well, Ignition, you know how to do that. Just put it on the net. I mean, it's that easy. We've done work with some small manufacturers all the way up to some Fortune 500 companies that are using Ignition. So we're going to keep running with it.